Welcome to another episode of Photo Enthusiastic. I'm your host, Jim Ferr, photoenthusiastic@gmail.com. This is the Canon EOS RP with lens adapter and Canon 100 to 400 millimeter lens. Yes, it looks a little ridiculous on a very small mirrorless camera, but it feels pretty sturdy. There's no play in the adapter, and the autofocus works. And as you can see from the test images that I'll put in here, everything works. So I found the camera a little bit frustrating at times. Acquiring autofocus was not always easy, especially when shooting animals. And I missed a lot of shots that I might have otherwise gotten. Also, the frame rate was rather slow, especially when tracking was used. So, but aside from that, it did fairly well. And like I said, I was pleasantly surprised with the RP in general. So, if you're looking for full frame goodness at a reasonable price in a mirrorless camera, you could do worse. As I said, I myself have the XT3. I'm filming with it right now, and I'm happy with it. But, this is a nice camera in the hand, a little underpowered in terms of frame rate, a little slow on the autofocus, but, it's not as bad an option as I thought it would be. So. And gosh, the high ISO performance is literally amazing. So I put in a couple of ISO 12,800 shots here for you to look at. And, they're a little bit mushy, but not that much. They're just kind of amazing for the high ISO stuff that you're used to seeing at that kind of ISO. I mean, very usable all the way up to 6,400 at least, if not more. And, with this long lens here, I just took a couple of pictures of the moon just for fun, so I'll put those in here as well. And this is a fairly deep crop to get to the 16:9 and decent size of the moon. So all in all, a fairly positive experience. I would say it's a pretty good little camera for what it can do. If full frame is that deciding factor, and you must have full frame, and mirrorless, it's certainly a lot less than all of the competition. Thanks for watching. Fade out.